Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of robotic cleaning with a detailed review of the ECOVACS DEEBOT N30 Omni, a smart robot vacuum and mop that promises to take the hassle out of maintaining your home. We found this product online, and we've included a link in the description so you can check its latest price and availability. The DEEBOT N30 Omni is an all-in-one robot vacuum and mop designed to make your life easier. It offers a combination of powerful suction, advanced mopping technology, and smart navigation features, making it a versatile cleaning solution for various types of households. With its sleek design and innovative capabilities, it's set to redefine how we approach home cleaning. Let's start with some of its most impressive features. One of the standout elements is the all-in-one OMNI Station, which not only supports automatic mop washing and self-emptying but also has a hot air drying function that works at 104 degrees Fahrenheit. This prevents unpleasant odors from lingering in your home after cleaning. The 2.6-liter dust bag can hold up to 75 days worth of dust, so you won't find yourself emptying it frequently, giving you more time to focus on the things you love. Another major highlight is the unbeatable 10,000 Pascal suction power. The DEEBOT N30 Omni is engineered with advanced motors and airflow technology that provide deep cleaning capabilities, ensuring that dirt and debris are removed effortlessly from various surfaces. Whether it's pet hair, crumbs, or fine dust, this robot vacuum is up to the task. When it comes to mopping, the DEEBOT N30 Omni excels with its dual OZMO turbo spinning mopping system. Powered by a high-speed motor that spins at 25,000 revolutions per minute, it mimics human hand movements to apply consistent scrubbing pressure, making it effective against everyday spills and stubborn stains. Plus, you can customize the water level through the app, which allows you to tailor the cleaning experience based on your floor type. For those who are concerned about obstacles, the DEEBOT N30 Omni is equipped with TrueDetect 3D 3.0 technology, ensuring precise obstacle avoidance. This means it can navigate around furniture and other objects with ease, minimizing the risk of getting stuck or causing damage. With its TrueMapping 2.0 technology, it can create detailed maps of your home in a matter of minutes, efficiently covering up to 100 square meters. The runtime is another impressive aspect. With a maximum of 320 minutes on a single charge, powered by its robust 5,200 mAh battery, the DEEBOT N30 Omni can handle extensive cleaning tasks, covering up to 550 square meters. It automatically adjusts charging times, allowing it to resume any unfinished cleaning jobs promptly. The design of the DEEBOT N30 Omni is also worth mentioning. It features a fully detachable baseplate for easy maintenance, while its filter system offers up to 150 days of maintenance-free operation. With a long-lasting solid cleaning agent providing up to 30 days of deep cleaning, this robot vacuum is designed for efficiency and convenience. In terms of user-friendliness, the ECOVACS Home app allows you to control the DEEBOT N30 Omni seamlessly. You can adjust the suction power, regulate the water flow, and choose from various cleaning modes and scheduling options to fit your household needs perfectly. So, who is the DEEBOT N30 Omni suitable for? It's perfect for busy families, pet owners, or anyone looking for a reliable cleaning solution that saves time and effort. If you're someone who values cleanliness but struggles to find the time for regular cleaning, this robot vacuum and mop could be a game changer. In practical use cases, imagine coming home to clean floors after a long day at work, or having your robot take care of spills from your pets without you having to lift a finger. The DEEBOT N30 Omni truly liberates you from the mundane task of cleaning. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.